if you want to look just a little spooky for Halloween, these spider earrings are the perfect accessory. For this project, you will need black embroidery floss, earring blanks, googly eyes, white craft glue, a fork, and scissors. To make each spider body, cut a piece of embroidery floss about 1 foot long and thread it through the middle of a fork. Hold it in place and then hold the end of the embroidery floss around the base of the fork and wrap it around about 60 to 75 times, keeping it all in one bundle. Cut the end of the floss and then cut 4 pieces of embroidery floss about 3 to 4 inches a piece. Set them in the middle of the bundle across the long ways. These will become the legs of the spider. Bring the original piece of floss up and through the middle tines of the fork so that you're holding that bundle in place. Slide it gently off of the fork. Tie that string into a knot as tight as you can make it. Make sure it's centered right in the middle of that bundle. Keep the long string that you tied the bundle with and the legs out of the way for this next step. You're going to take scissors and clip through the loops of the embroidery floss to create a pom-pom. Once all the loops are cut, hold the legs and the longer string together and fluff it into a ball. Use scissors to trim the edges down so you have a nice tight pom-pom for the spider's body. Now fan out the legs so you've got 4 on each side and trim them to be the size that you would like them to be. Put a generous sized blob of craft glue right on the bottom of those legs in the middle and spread it around with your finger. This will keep the legs in place and it will dry clear. You also want to put just a little bit of glue on the ends of that floss so they don't become unraveled. Let it dry completely. Now fluff up the middle of your pom-pom and glue some googly eyes into place. Now tie the earring blanks onto the spiders with the long original string that you started with. Tie the knot down into the middle of the spider so you can't see the ends of the strings when they're cut. Cut off the extra floss once you've tied the knot. For the second one, you want to make sure that they hang at the same length before you secure the knot. And you're finished. Once the glue is completely dry, your spider earrings are ready to wear. Please be sure and subscribe to my channel for more holiday craft ideas.